So, hello everyone. Welcome to this Ask Geology, a whole new way to understand our Mother Earth. So, in this today's 7-minute numerical, we are going to discuss about one question related to your geochemistry. Okay, so this is important question asked in Gate 2007 and question number 42. Okay, so the question is asking that at a fixed temperature, we just write down or you just see the questions. At a fixed temperature, find the concentration of ferric ion in solution if the solubility product of the ferric hydroxide given, okay, ionization product of water, that is also given, pH is also given. Here one thing we have to mark that this is ferric ion. Okay, iron, it can be present in both ferrous Fe+2 and ferric Fe+3. Okay, ferric is the higher +3, higher number. Okay, higher ions, that is ferric ion. Solubility product of ferric hydroxide. Solubility product of ferric hydroxide is given, then ionization product of water is also given, then pH is also given. So first thing, then solubility product of ferric hydroxide, it is ferric hydroxide, then FeOH whole 3, then only Fe+3 and OH minus. So if we just dissociate FeOH rho whole 3, then what will be formed? This is ferric ion Fe+3 and OH minus. Okay, OH, it has a negative charge. Okay, so to make a charge balance, it should be 3 OH. Okay, this is one reaction for the ferric ion. It is the dissociation of ferric hydroxide into ferric ion and OH minus. Okay, and second one is the ionization product of water. If water gets dissociated, it will form H plus and OH minus. See, charge balance is also there. And third thing what is given, this is given the pH is equal to 7, and we know what is pH. pH is nothing but the negative logarithm of H plus concentration or H plus ion. Okay, this is equal to, if this is 7, then what is the H plus ion concentration of H plus? That is equal to 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, so if it is given pH to be 7, then what will be the H plus concentration? 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, so we have to calculate the concentration of the ferric ion. यहाँ पर जो नाम this ferric ion, इसका concentration है, we have to just calculate. Okay, so from this pH value, we are getting this H plus concentration. Okay, H plus concentration. Now this H plus concentration we will put in this reaction to find out the OH minus. Okay, by getting this OH minus value, then we will put the OH minus value here, so that we can get the Fe+3, because this KSP solubility product of this ion is given. That is here, what is the KSP value? This is 10 to the power minus of 38.6. Okay, so we have the KSP value, and we know how this KSP value is calculated. And this water, in this case water is also getting dissociated, that's why it is called ionization. Okay, now abhi water ka H2O, then how we can get the H plus and OH minus? Okay, dissociate kar lenge. Okay, if we just get dissociation, then that will be converted into its constituents H plus and OH minus. Okay, and all of you know that how this KSP or the solubility product or the ionization constant, that K value, how it is calculated? K is equal to product, whatever the product, divided by the reactant. Okay, ऐसे करके we just calculate the K value. Now यहाँ पर for H2O, first we have to calculate for H2O. Okay, for H2O, what will be the dissociation constant? This Kw is given to be 10 to the power minus of 14.2. and how this Kw we will calculate? This Kw is, you can see H plus and OH minus, that is the product and reactant. This is H plus concentration, OH minus concentration divided by H2O. This H2O is a molecule, so its value is 1. So this is 10 to the power minus of 14.2. And what is the H plus concentration? H plus ka value we do have 10 to the power minus 7. Just put this value. Okay, so OH minus, that will be 10 to the power minus of 14.2 divided by, this is 10 to the power minus of 7. Okay, so simply what will be the answer? Simplification, 10 to the power minus of 14.2 प्लस ऑफ 7. ओके, ये नेगेटिव है, इफ यू जस्ट ऊपर जाएगा माइनस माइनस देन प्लस हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज 10 टू द पावर माइनस ऑफ 7.2. ओके, दिस इज OH माइनस. ओके, दिस इज OH माइनस का वैल्यू कितना मिला? 10 टू द पावर माइनस ऑफ 7.2. नाउ अभी सेकेंड केस में अभी हम देखेंगे. इन द सेकेंड केस दैट इज सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फेरिक हाइड्रोक्साइड इन दिस रिएक्शन, फॉर दिस रिएक्शन. ठीक है, now for this reaction this is KSP, solubility product is given to be 10 to the power minus of 38.6, isn't it? So how this KSP will be calculated? That is Fe plus 3, and you can see this is 3 OH minus cube divided by FeOH rho whole 3. Its value is 1, so it is equal to 10 to the power minus of 38.6. okay, up to here, no doubt. Then just simply simplify these things. Okay, we just want Fe plus 3 concentration, this value. Okay, we want only this value. So this Fe plus 3, okay, this is the concentration, that is equal to 10 to the power minus of 38.6 divided by, what is the value of OH? That is 10 to the power minus 7.2. This is 10 to the power minus of 7.2, इसका cube. Okay, so what will be the value? 10 to the power minus of 38.6 divided by, this will be multiplied. This is 10 to the power, so this is 21.6, this is minus 21.6. okay, so what will be the, if we just simplify, then 10 to the power minus of 38.6 plus of 21.6, which is equal to 10 to the power minus 17, isn't it? 10 to the power minus 17, and the unit is we have not just converted any unit. Okay, so the unit is mole per liter, that is the given mole per liter. Okay, so what is the answer? This is 10 to the power minus of 17. This is actually your answer. So this will be your answer. Okay, all clear? Okay, this is related to your solubility product. Okay, how one reaction is going on, or this is you can call it as equilibrium constant. Okay, that's also fine. When A plus of B, they are giving rise to C plus of D, then if it is an equilibrium reaction, then it should have some equilibrium constant K. Okay, that will be calculated C D by A B. These are the concentration value. Okay, and depending upon these things, there are so many of numericals they ask in GATE till now, and nowadays they are also asking in JAM also. Okay, so I hope this explanation is quite good in the sense you will be able to understand these things. So if you have any kind of doubt, then you can simply just write down in the comment box. Okay, so thank you, and always save our Mother Earth. Thank you. And if you guys are interested to join our group, then these are the numbers you can contact, and this is the mail ID. You can simply just put a mail to this number, to this mail ID, and we have also given the link tree. Okay, link tree in the description box, and by just clicking this link tree you will be directed to all our social media. Okay, all our social media platform. Then you can join our respective groups, and you can visit our website to see the fee structure. Okay, so thank you, and all the best. Ask Geology if you have any kind of doubt. Thank you.